One of the first things I usually try to do when I've got a new camper project is take care of any leaks that I found. And there are a few on this 79 Avion. One is right up here. There's just a hole in the roof. I got it temporarily patched with some plastic and some duct tape, and there's the bathroom vent, which is toward the back. I've taken that vent out and got that temporarily patched. And there's another leak on the other side, and it's right here with this refrigerator vent. It's right here, so let's get up there and take a look at it. So on the inside there's some water dripping in around this refrigerator vent, and it's coming in probably along this top edge right here, because you can tell that at one time there was something, maybe some lap sealant on there, and it's mostly gone now, so there's places where water's getting in there. So what I'm going to do is clean that off as best I can and put EternaBond on there. I'm going to also try to get down the sides. I don't want to take this whole cover off, but I'm going to try to get down the sides on either side as well, to try to get some EternaBond on that. I think it's probably leaking mostly from the top because of gravity, but I'd like to get those sides taken care of also. So I'm going to use a heat gun and warm up this lap sealant right here and a little bit, and then I'm going to use just a wood chisel to make sure is sharp enough, and try to scrape off what I can. Once you heat it up, that lap sealant comes off pretty easily. So this is the other side of the vent, and I'm going to try to clean out around these sides so I can try to get some EternaBond up in there maybe. There's wasp nests in here. So I've gotten most of the lap sealant off of there, and I'm just going to take a little mineral spirits and wipe this, try to get it clean. So you can definitely tell where water would have been coming in, like right along in there. So we'll get that covered up. So I ordered the silver EternaBond. This is 50 feet long, 4 inches wide, and so that's what we'll use. I'll probably cut it in half because I don't really need a 4-inch wide piece. It's going to come way out to here. I'll probably just maybe get a 2-inch strip because it doesn't have far to go back this direction. But I've got it clean, so I've got some of the primer, EternaBond primer. I'll spray on there. Just kind of makes it tacky, and then cut and apply the EternaBond. Alright, so I've got this EternaBond has a plastic backing on it, so I've got one end of it started, got it cut to length, and peel that off. very, very sticky, so you have to be careful where you let it stick. And it activates when there's pressure, so I've got a roller. Roll it, but it won't go under this vent, so I'm going to use this to press it down. So that's got this top edge all along here. So I'm trying to get a strip along the inside here. So I've cut a narrow strip. I've peeled back the plastic part of the way. I'm going to try to feed it in here without it sticking to everything. And get it set. Get this end set. And then I'll pull this plastic off here and pull it down tight. Okay. Have to get in there with my fingers best I can and press it down. And I'll do the same thing on this side. Okay, so I finally got that side in, so I think we're in good shape. So next good rain we have, I'll come out here and check and see, make sure it's not leaking.